Hello, in this video I will show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into your device on Redmi A3 Pro. So you have to start by putting your SIM tray key into this hole to unlock your SIM tray, and then you can pull it out completely. Now you have to place your SD card on your SIM tray and then place your SIM card like this on your SIM tray. Now you can put your SIM tray back into your phone. And that's it. And now my SIM card should work. And as you can see by network bars up here on the status bar, my SIM card is now working. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.